Welcome to the Quick and Dirty Show with Nat and Marks, the best place to get step-by-step nutrition and weight loss strategies. Right now is the best time to start living a healthier life. And when you think about making changes and improving your health, your mind will usually go in two directions: cleaning up your diet and exercise. Obesity stats are saying that exercise is the magic bullet to losing weight. That we can put an end to carrying around extra pounds if only we were more active. It won't. It can't. In today's episode, I'm covering the exercise versus diet debate and why nutrition reigns supreme every single time. Let's cover the benefits of exercise before we dive into the real debate. When you exercise, you improve your cardiovascular health, you reduce your stress and tension levels, you sleep better, you have more energy, and you notice a reduction in chronic pain or diseases, only to name a few. For these reasons, I am a firm believer that exercise should play a part in everybody's life. I work out personally 5 to 6 times a week, and I walk my dog for an hour every day. I'm active, I get tons of exercise. But before I switched my focus to cleaning up my diet, I still exercised 5 or 6 times a week, and I never lost a pound, not one. Because exercise alone doesn't cut it. Let's take a quick look at why this is. Now, even though exercise isn't entirely about calories, it is the measurement we know, and I'm going to use the exercise calorie versus the nutrition calorie to paint a very clear picture. When you exercise hard enough to bring your heart rate up for a sustained period of time, you burn calories. We know this. The typical gym session or workout that lasts anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes burns on average between 300 to 500 calories. The less time you work out, the less calories you burn. The easier you work out, the less calories you burn. Now, while 300 to 500 calories may seem like a lot, it really isn't. You can consume that amount of calories in no time. A chocolate chip cookie from a popular coffee shop is 360 calories. A peanut butter cookie from the same place is 480 calories. Even having a few extra bites here and there while moving through your day will eat through 500 calories in no time. In the blink of an eye, you've already made up for the calories you burned in your workout, plus a little bit more. This is the reason that justification mentality is not serving you well. You know the one I'm talking about. I can eat that because I worked out mentality. That is the mentality that is hindering your progress and will continue to do so until you change your way of thinking. And before you start asking, yes, your body absolutely needs to refuel after a high intensity sweat workout, but likely not to the level that you think. This is the time to fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods without overeating. Give your body what it needs, and that's it. Now let's drive this exercise versus nutrition debate home. Say you are disciplined and that you do some form of exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Add it up over the course of a month. That's 20 times you've been to the gym and 20 times that you've had an opportunity to make an impact on your health. Now, let's do the same math with your daily meals. I'm keeping it easy, and I'm just gonna say that you eat 3 meals a day. I know you probably have a snack or 2 thrown in there, but I'm using 3 meals a day. Over the course of a week, that's 21 meals and 84 meals over the course of a month. You've had 84 opportunities to make an impact on your health with your nutrition. That's 4 times more than exercise. I may be biased since I am a nutrition coach, but the numbers and the facts don't lie. So no matter how active we are, the obesity numbers aren't going down. It's the food we eat and the amount of food we eat that must change. But still, The first thing many of you do when you want to change in your health or your lifestyle is to head to the gym or hit the pavement. Now, let me say this again. I am an exercise lover and believer, but exercise and nutrition need to go hand in hand for you to experience success and get the results you're looking for. And if you had to make a choice between exercise and nutrition, choose nutrition every time, because you can't outtrain a bad diet. You can't outrun a cinnamon bun. You can't outsqueeze a block of cheese, and whatever other food and exercise rhymes you can think of. The little overindulgences add up fast, and as I know from very personal experience, this can leave you feeling frustrated and baffled at why you're not losing any weight, especially if you feel you already eat pretty healthy. This is why time and time again you resort back to food restrictions, starving yourself, and other craziness in an attempt to lose just a few pounds. And I know I'm repeating myself, but this is important. I am not saying you shouldn't exercise. Not at all. You should exercise for all the reasons I mentioned earlier. Exercise does burn calories, and moving your body regularly is an excellent habit to get into. Just don't be hanging on to the mindset that exercise will be the fix. Here's what I find both with myself and with my students. When you make healthier choices and feel good about the fuel you put in your body, it makes exercise more likely. Your mind is in a good spot. Your body feels good. You have more energy and are more apt to move your body more. It goes hand in hand, those healthy decisions and habits hand in hand. If you find it hard to schedule in exercise, or your bouts of exercise are sporadic at best, or maybe you despise exercise altogether and think you're doomed, you're not. You can 1000% still lose weight without exercise. No ridiculous rules, crazy restrictions, or hunger strikes required. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you've had enough. Eat slowly and mindfully, and find ways to make each meal just a little bit better. I delve more into the balanced meals and portion sizes and hydration in my coaching program, but those are the basics I always start with. No matter where you are in your health and weight loss journey, make sure you're involving and mastering those basics. Now, I would love to hear from you on this topic. Do you agree that nutrition is the reigning champion in the exercise versus nutrition debate? And what, if anything, are you going to change in your weight loss journey? Leave me a comment and let me know. And while you're there, make sure that you're hitting the like and subscribe buttons as well. And if you want more strategies like this, head over to natandmarks.ca/free course and sign up for the free video course. You will get a video training packed with doable strategies like this one for losing weight with ease. And remember, why settle for average when greatness is within your reach? Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time on The Quick and Dirty Show.